Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got, Mustang Convertible, baby. Beautiful paint job. It's got a black top, black interior, $289 under the hood. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can see just how nice the floorboards are. We're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. She is sharp. The grill's sharp, the bumper looks brand new, and the paint's popping. That line is nice and straight. Look down the side of the car. She is clean as a whistle. Wheel lip moldings, got mag wheels on it, BFGs, emblems all look new. The door lines are lining up nice. All the stainless looks good. Door handle looks good. This line's also lined up nice. Door operates nice. Door gems nicely painted. The rubber's been replaced. Inside of the door's been painted the same color as the car also. Now the texture you see in here is in the metal. Henry Ford put that texture in there on purpose. We've got a wood steering wheel there. All the chrome and all the aluminum and all the stainless is looking beautiful on the interior. The dash pad itself's looking good. The seats are looking great. The whole convertible top frame has been restored and painted. Of course, the convertible top itself is brand new. We've got seat belts in the front and in the rear. She is just a beautiful car, guys, and she's a Mustang convertible. Probably one of the most popular hot rods that we have at our shop is a Mustang convertible. They get a lot of play. Very popular car. We got great looking chrome back here. Looks like the chrome on that gas fill is probably original to the car. That goes to show you the car was in pretty good shape when they started the restoration. All these look brand new. So we're gonna figure out which one of these keys opens up the trunk. Look at that first try. You can see the trunk floor is nicely coated. The wheel wells are nice. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. The gutter system here around the opening of the trunk is nice and clean. The rubber here's been replaced. The lips on the deck lid look good. When you look down the side of the car, straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Mustang. Right now we have about 235 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. We don't do any consignment whatsoever, so we spend the time and check them out. Now, we've bought between 45 and 50 cars the last 2 months, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my expertise helping you pick out your dream car. All right, Mustang time. 67, drop top, ready to go. Sounding great. It's got an awesome sound and exhaust system on it. Beautiful paint job. I tell you, one of the coolest things about this car is the paint job. You just don't see these cars painted this color. It is sharp as a tack, man. And it is beautiful. Look at that. Driving no hands. What a sweet ride. I better grab the wheel. Got to go around this corner here. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're gonna ship this car wherever you live in the world. So call us at 248-974-9513. Yeah, we ship to Germany. Yeah, we've shipped everywhere, guys. These Mustangs are so cool, especially the convertibles. They don't last long. It's probably one of the hottest commodities out there is these Mustang convertibles right now. And this one's sweet. Love the sound of that exhaust. Now, if you need some help with financing, we've got bankers that can help you out with financing. It takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and we can get you all hooked up and get this dream parked in your drive. Now, as you can see down here on the dash, everything's looking good here. The speedo's working. The dash itself's in beautiful shape, nice and shiny. Windshield wipers are wiping. Now, it does have the stock radio in it still. It is an AM FM radio, and it is not working at this time. But that's something that's easy to add if you'd like a radio. Now, it does have an electric top. The switch is right over here underneath the speedo. That semi-truck's gonna turn, so I guess I'll go this way. We got beautiful paint inside here. Just a gorgeous car, guys. Now, we're right outside the Motor City, and we can come right down to the airport and pick you up, because you know what? We are only 20 minutes from the airport, so if you'd like to fly in, we'd love to have you come in. Look at this thing bust a Yui, no problem whatsoever. Steering radius is great. Listen to that exhaust. It's sounding awesome. Now, if you want to send an inspector, no problem with an inspector either. We'll treat the inspector just like we treat you. Or if you see something on the car that you'd like a little bit different, or you'd like to add something to the car, we have a whole team of mechanics that can take care of that for you. No problem whatsoever. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he can tell you all about how easy it is to do whatever you want to this car. Now, we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out how nice the bottom side is. And then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's making that music coming out of those tailpipes. Now, here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. You gotta take a look right here to my left as we drive by. There's Eleanor, guys. All right, we're underneath this 67 Mustang now, and it is clean under here. Looks like the tank is fairly new, the exhaust is new, drop downs look good, bottom side of the quarters look nice. This 8-inch rear end's got right around the 280 gears, so real good for the highway. It is an open rear end. You can see brand new brake lines here, fairly new shocks. Frame as solid as a rock, looking great. Now, it looks like it's had a whole floor pan put in, and it is welded in here to the rockers on both sides. These are the boxes here for the seats. These rubber plugs reveal the bolts for that hold the seats down. We got headers on this car. It's got a C4 trans. The frame on the car is looking nice and strong too. Torque boxes, both front, left and right. The steering gear's all in good shape. We do have disc brakes up front. I see the Ford emblem on those disc brakes. It's got a big sway bar on it. It's been upgraded to tubular lower control arms and tubular upper control arms with coilover shocks. It's a beautiful car. The radius arm bushings look good. The radius arm braces here also in good shape. Normally these are all crushed in from over the years, guys putting lifts underneath there. She's beautiful under here, guys. Real sharp looking little Mustang convertible. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, two 65-15s on some great looking wheels. That front fender, paint work right down to the bottom edge is looking good. I always feel around on the back, and all I feel there is smooth metal. The rockers also got beautiful paint on it. Let's check the rear. Out back here, we've got two 65-15s, and you always want to feel this lip. It's nice and clean. All I feel is that inner wheelhouse where it goes to the quarter. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 289. The date code does say it's a 67. It looks like it's been upgraded to electronic ignition. We got power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb on there. Some aftermarket shock tower braces. Like I said, these are coilovers up here. Looks like it's got a stock appearing radiator. Solenoid looks like it's fairly new. The shock towers look nice and tight. All the inner wheelhouses here are nice and smooth. Firewall's nice and clean. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. And it looks like even the turn signals and the hood scoops there all wired up. Guys, call us at 248-974-9513. These Mustang convertibles don't last long. Let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.